Where are you now?
Okay, in Manila. So I'm really excited because today like kind of the tour in Manila. So yeah, this is my
As soon as we met in Manila, the cafe we select was downtown. It had beautiful view and vibe. Anyway, before the tour in Manila, we had a small talk about Philippines and Korea. Without further ado, check it out.
Do you know what I mean? You don't know, right? Oh, today we're gonna do tour in Manila.
Excited.
Yeah, I came from South Korea.
I'm from Manila. It's our second time.
Really excited. First time we met yeah in Tagaytay. How old are you?
I'm 21.
21. I'm 21 also. So we same, right?
Yeah.
So that's why we became the friends really. And then you will go to
Korea.
Korea,
also,
right?
yeah.
I will go to Malaysia for exchange student. So have you ever been dates
In Korea?
yeah in Korea? Korean guy.
Oh, yeah. It was okay.
Yeah.
He's handsome. He's cute.
What is the difference Korean and Philippines?
Korean, they're kind of fast.
Fast?
So fast. Like
I got it.
I like you. You like me. Okay, let's go. Let's date. Exactly.
사귀자.
Yeah, like that. But Philippine, it takes so long. Like you
Really?
like me, I like you. We date straight. Yeah.
How
We're
long
gonna-
do you have to
It
take
depends. Maybe months.
More?
Yeah, you have to get to know the other person first. Even if I like you already. You like me, I like you. But let's date first. Not in a relationship. But in Korea, if you like me, I
Yeah.
like you. Let's date. So Korean guys text a lot.
Text
Yeah,
a lot.
what?
I got it. And cool, right?
Yeah, cool, yeah. Philippine,
One is the best things in Korean dish.
like kalbitang. I like
갈비탕. Oh, really? 떡볶이.
kimchi.
김치찌개.
I like everything.
Cold noodles is 냉면.
냉면.
Oh, you like it.
What's your favorite Korean?
Korean food? I love bulgogi. Do you know that?
Beef, right?
Yeah, I love. Yeah, what's your favorite food?
I think sisig. Have you tried sisig?
Sisig. Yesterday I had it.
Do you like it?
Really like it. This is the best thing I had in the Philippines.
It's your favorite also?
Yes.
Me too.
Oh my god.
I think sisig is the best.
I like really cute things in
Yeah, it's small beef.
And
Did you eat it like sizzling?
yeah,
It's
that's
the
right.
hot plate. We're gonna go to photo booth next after this cafe.
After that,
And then we're gonna go to Venice and McKinley.
yeah.
And we're gonna see the beach in Pasig.